Yo, what's up guys? I'm back in Rot, return of TTD. Today I'm going to try to beat Palm Paradise using Christmas units. As you see, we have all the different kinds of Christmas units, including the TPM.
Oh my God! Wow!
So without anything else, let's get on the game. Also in this game, I will show a strat on how to beat this map using only Christmas units. You can replace UTM with other units as long as it can hold. So here I will speed it up a little and guys, just follow what I'm doing. So that was the video and the strategy guys if you're new and want to win. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, please like and sub. Cause if you won't do it, I'm ready to battle. Okay, that's all, thanks guys, see you all in the next vid.